Hello students, today we will do with the topic buying motives, which is a small topic in consumer behavior. So buying motives means it is a reason that causes the people to purchase products to satisfy their wants and needs. So to buy any product which motivates them to buy any specific product, that motivation or that factor or that reason is called as a buying motive. So we'll just check with the definition. Buying motives are defined as all the impulse, desires, and considerations which motivate a buyer to purchase a specific product. So it is a motivation. It can be an impulse. Impulse means that's what it pushes a buyer to buy certain product, that is specific product. It might be a desires. So these all things are considered as a motives. So which make a buyer to purchase a specific product. We will just check further more things about the buying motives. In buying motives, we have two types, that is product motives and patronage motives. In product motives, we have four, and in patronage motives, we have two. First one in product motives is emotional motives, rational motives, operational motives, socio-psychological motives. In patronage motives, we have emotional motives and rational motives. We will just check one by one. So first one is emotional motives, that is for product motives. So emotional motives towards the product, emotional things towards the product, feelings towards the product, emotions towards the product. It is that it is an urge that the buyer do impulsive purchases. That means what? Specific product purchases without any logic or any reason to purchase that. It is just an emotion, feelings towards that product, so that is the reason he purchases that. This is called as emotional motives. Next comes is operational and social psychological motives. So in operational motives is called as, here person buys a product because it's an utility, that is a need, that is a product need for them. For example, a family buys a television because they feel it has a utility for them. Okay, so this is called, okay, so that is the reason it is being told as an operational motive. Then it comes as an socio-psychological motive. Here a person buys a product due to the status of the society. He wants to buy a big car to show his status in the society, so that is the reason he buys a car. So this is called as socio-psychological motive. And I had told you in the earlier slide that is rational motives, the second one in product motives. So as it emotional motives tells that it is on the feelings, emotions without any reason or logic. Here rational motives means it is not because of the emotions, it is with the logic behind purchasing that particular product. That is called as rational motive. Okay, so these are few of the product motives, that is emotional, rational, operational, and socio psychological motives. So I guess you understood all the four. Emotional means what? It is based on the feelings, emotions, and impulses. And rational motives means it is based on the logical reasoning or reason behind that purchasing the product, or in that case. And coming to operational motives, a person buys a product because it's an utility for them, that is a need, family need for them. It is kind of a product where it is used on the daily basis, in that way. So for example, I told you television or a telephone, in that way. And social psychological motive is that because of the society status he buys the product, that is called as socio psychological motive. The next one is patronage motives. We have here two types, as I told you. So first, here we will just check what do you mean by patronage motives. It's an impulse or it's an influence which make a buyer to buy from particular shop only, or a particular brand from a particular shop. So you have here two bakeries, as I showed you in the slide. So Joey's Bakery and Karen's Bakery. You like for example any masala bun or something. So here motives can be like you want to get the masala bun from Joey's Bakery only, in that way. This is patronage motives. Types of patronage motives are emotional motives and rational motives. Emotional motives may buy from specific shop without any reason. It's called as an emotional motives. Rational, because the shop provides you the more offers, wide selection, you buy the products. That is called as rational motives. Hope you have understood this topic. I'll just check with the other topics and let you know with the digital mode. Thank you.